I'm down at the railroad depot in Abbeville. Welcome to Abbeville, y'all. And a taxi just showed up. I assume that's for the Abbeville switcher. So maybe I'll get a train. I haven't seen one in a couple of days except for at night. And I haven't filmed them, but they've been real slack on trains around here today and yesterday. Alright, thank you. Looking at the signals down on the south end, they're all red over red. We got the Abbeville switcher coming in. Well, he's gonna park it in the yard, so I'll try to catch him. I'm not gonna see much, but he'll probably pull it around the corner anyway. And that is his taxi waiting there. Alright, thank y'all. I'll try to catch him. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I heard him blowing his horn. It's probably about 2 or 3 miles away right now. So I'll turn back on when he gets closer. He's going to be coming around the corner and he'll be tied up on the yard track over there to the left. The far left is what's left of the Abbeville yard. And he'll be parking his train on that track. Alright, thank you. I hear him blowing the horn. He's over near Prisman now. So now it's 2 miles away. He was 3. I didn't know what crossing he was at. Alright, we got one coming in. That's the Abbeville switcher. Because like I said, the taxi is here, so I know that's what we got. At least I believe that's what we got. They could have thrown one in ahead of them. But there's no clear signals at the north end of Abbeville, so I assume all we got is the Abbeville switcher, and he's coming in tying down, so he won't need any signals to go north. He's going north in the taxi. Alright, thank you. Alright, he's coming downhill. He's at Red Street. Won't be long, he'll be coming around the corner. Dynamic brakes. It doesn't sound like he stopped and went in the side or nothing. It sounds like he's coming around on one of the main lines. Maybe he's going to shove backwards into the yard. I don't know. Maybe we'll get some excitement today and see some switching or something. He's close to the corner now. And I'm right here at Vienna Street Bridge. There you go. These are auto racks, y'all. And he's coming around. He's on the main line, so I'm going to get back a little bit. Still no signals, so that says to me that he's going to stop and wait on the train. Auto racks. Alright. Sorry, I had to take my eye off the camera so I could walk. Look like he's stopping here. I thought the taxi was getting the Abbeville switcher crew. There might be a switcher crew on there because each crew, the original crew might have went on the law and had to get somebody to bring the train in. 3198. AC locomotive ES 4488. 3281 ET 4488. So all the racks tying down in Abbeville like that. These two guys, or we still waiting on the Abbeville switcher?
This is the only one.
Okay.
Say Barefoot? F-O-O-T? What's the full name? Barefoot?
Barefoot's all it is. That's the name I use. I don't have a title for my page. I got radio trucks on this one. They're taking their time getting off of this thing, ain't they? Taxi driver says he's gonna start watching my videos, y'all, so he's gonna join y'all. Alright.
Patrick.
Yes, sir? These rocks are hard on my feet. He's got to go tie handbrakes down. Probably start out about 10 cars worth, and then they'll check and make sure that that's going to be enough. Engineers got to get out and tie down handbrakes in a little bit. I tied these down, I missed them. There he is. There's the engineer. Tying the cab up. Hey buddy. Handbrakes tied down. There's the wheel, there's the chain. Dynamic brakes, car body ventilation. digital horn, radio trucks, got board taxi driver. Did you ever get to see the place before they tore it down?
Say again?
Hold on, let me pause this. Alright, he just knocked the brakes off. You can see the brakes are off. He's checking to make sure the train doesn't roll, that the handbrakes are going to take care of everything. He's on the side of a hill. He don't want the train losing brakes or losing air pressure and running away like Lac-Mégantic, Canada. Y'all know about that one. Alright, he didn't roll any. I was sitting there looking at him. They probably applied the brakes again, and he's ready to get off. But yeah, all the brakes knocked off and the handbrakes are holding it, y'all. Alright, thank you.